Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. Oh my gosh, this is the 10th day, so I'm going strong. We're about a third through the month. Can't believe it, but we're here. So if you haven't checked out my other cooking video, it was I believe Vlogmas Day 6. It was like a taco spaghetti. Go check it out. I mean, it came out looking good. It was tasting good. So, you know, it was like a Taco Tuesday with a twist. So go check that out. So today, as you can tell from the title of the video, and this is why you clicked on it, right? Am I right? Am I right? Okay. I'm going to be making one of my children's favorite winter. Well, actually, I'm going to say it was mine when I used to eat meat. But since I don't eat meat no more, it's like the kids, they like having kind of like a stewed chicken. So I'm going to make kind of like a brown stewed chicken. I have my chicken in here. I marinated for like a whole day. Well, not quite a whole day yet, but it's marinated into this bowl right here. It looks so good. It's so nice and brown. It's going to be a nice color. I forgot to put these cute little peppers in it. So I'm going to cut these up. But first, what I'm going to do is I have 2 potatoes that I'm adding in the stewed chicken, because since I don't really eat the meat, I'm going to have something that I could eat it with and then put it over the rice. So I'm going to peel these and then I'm going to get back to you guys, right? Because first what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the potatoes in a pot, cook it like halfway. And then I'm going to saute the onion. Let me take it out the bag. Then I'm going to saute some onions and peppers with the fresh garlic. And I got 4 of the little pieces of fresh garlic. So let me get into getting the potatoes peeled and cut up. So baby Delia wanted to come and help, and she is obsessed with cutting. So I am going to help her with the knife. One hand. That hand stays over there, remember? So I don't know if you guys can see. So here we go. We're going to cut the yellow pepper. 1. Count. 2, 3, 4. So guys, she really wanted to help me, so I'm just gonna have move your hand. What's coming out of it? What is these? Seeds of pepper seeds. Okay, she really wanted to help me, guys, so I'm just gonna let her help me, cause so then she can go about her business, because she had ran and took the whole pepper with her. Talking about, oh, I want the pepper. So you finished? You helped mommy? I'm gonna give you a piece. Hold on. I think you want to taste the piece of the pepper.
It goes sit. Go sit at the table.
Okay. You want to go sit at the chair at the table. Okay. Which color pepper do you want to try?
Yes.
You want to try the orange one? All right. Let me give you a piece. Wait. Okay. Here you go. Let me cut it in half. Here you go. All right. So, yep, I'm watching. Don't worry, I'm watching her hands and stuff, everybody. So, thank you, Delia, for helping me. Thank you. I'm trying to think I should leave them long. No, I'm going to just do them smaller. Just do them like that. So, my kids aren't big on peppers, so I am just throwing this in there. Like I said, I really wanted to saute it with it. Saute it. I really wanted to marinate it with the chicken. I forgot all about this. I don't care too much about marinating the onions with it, but like I said, the kids really don't like peppers, so they're probably just going to pick it out, which is fine. Definitely fine. So yeah, I think it's time to get our pepper, and our pot is heated up enough to get the pepper, to get the potatoes in. So hold on, let me just put that in a bowl. I'm going to throw the peppers over here, and I'm going to rinse them again before I cook them. So I'm going to put some butter in the pot. So I'll just cut some butter and put it in the pot. I got it in the pot. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil in. Mix it around. And then I'm just going to throw the potatoes in. Yeah. I'm going to just saute the potatoes. Throw it around, but I want to put a little pepper. Let me put a little bit of seasoning in these potatoes. So I'm going to do some seasoned blend. into it. There we go. So that's what we're doing right now. And that's all I pretty much need. A little bit of that and a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. But that's even to have black pepper in there, but I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. And we are good to go. Oh no, I'm lying. One more seasoning, which is the perfect seasoning. Alright, so that should definitely be good. I think that's enough. Let me just mix that up. Mix that all together. Let me see how much liquid it is. Because I'm going to put the top on it and let this cook or saute, as you say, for like 10 minutes on a low heat. Because I really want the potatoes to halfway cook. You hear Baby Glee in the back. She's trying to touch everything and her brother is stopping her. So that's what she's doing right now. But she is okay. Okay, Mama. You are okay. Okay? You are okay. Yes, they saw and took it, right? Okay. So the top on there, let that marinate.
You're big one? You're gonna wipe it?
The mask. Don't put your hand over here, please. Look, wipe. Wipe here. Look. Okay, enough for hearing the kids interact. They are so cute together. So I'm just going to cut up the onions really quickly. I'm taking the middle part out. I'm actually just cutting up the long way because, like I said, the kids are probably just going to pick it out. So I'm just going to make it easy for them to pick it out when they want to. So after I cut up the onions, I went on and started on my rice. I added some of that chicken bouillon flavor to the rice because I wanted my rice to have some type of flavor in it. And it just tastes better when it has some flavor in it. Next, I added the rice in, 3 cups of rice. And then that was it. And I just mixed it all together. Oh yeah, and then I also threw a piece of butter in there. I like throwing butter in my rice. I don't know. It just stops it from sticking, especially the jasmine rice. So here's the potatoes. They are pretty much cooked how I wanted them to be. I wanted to pretty much cook it so I didn't have to cook it that much longer after I put it inside of the stew. So here I am just mixing the garlic and the onions in. Making sure it's nice and mixed in. I'm just checking to see if it has enough oil at the bottom of the pot because I don't want it to stick and burn. Oops! I dropped it in. Then I added the peppers as well. Mixed everything in and then put the top on and let it cook. Here I am just scooping everything out the pot so I can start on my chicken. So all this is pretty much cooked. So when I add it into the stew, maybe about 5 minutes, it'll be time to eat. So now what I'm doing is just adding the chicken to the pot. I did it in batches of 2 because I had 9 pieces and I didn't want it to overcrowd. So I browned it on one side, flipped it over, browned it on the other side, and then just removed it out the pot. So now that everything is cooked and out the pot, I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now, after I was adding the broth in, I realized that it was 32 ounces, which is 4 cups. So I just ended up just pouring it in. And then I added a half a cup of ketchup. I mixed everything in. And I was like, let me just get this, what do you call it, little egg beaters and mix everything in. After you bring it to a boil, you want to add your chicken in and any juices that was left in the chicken. Then after about 20 minutes or so of cooking, I added my potatoes and my peppers and everything in. Here's the broccoli I was cooking. The rice is pretty much done. While I was cooking, here's baby girl over here making a mess. Mom life, I tell you. Now it's time to plate. So I like to get my rice a mountain because it just looks cute on a plate. So I use the measuring cup, which is the 1 cup of measuring cup. And it's also good for measuring your food. And here is it plated. It looks so good. My son was just trying to stick his food in because he was ready to do the tasting. So now, like always, I got my son here. Dason. He is about to try this brown stew chicken. Right, Dason?
Yep.
Okay, so.
It's a little like a volcano. Okay, I'm trying the broccoli first.
Well, why are you trying the broccoli for? This boy crazy. It is a little hot. But I just actually took it out. So he's eating the broccoli. My kids like their broccoli soft so that they can eat the whole stalk, kind of, you know, the end pieces. So.
Okay, let's try the chicken next.
Okay, he's trying some chicken. See if y'all can see him.
Look good.
Okay.
Now let's try the potato.
Yeah, that's the potatoes. Yes, I put potatoes in here, you guys. So how does it taste?
It's hot.
Oh no, but how does everything taste?
Good.
Good. Give me a scale again. A rating. You know how we do. 1 to 10.
I don't know about potatoes.
Yeah, he don't like potatoes, but whatever.
Pretty hot.
Yeah, you gotta let food cool off. Tastes better when it's cooled off.
And now, last but not least, the rice.
Got that sauce on
Dipping
there.
that sauce. It's so good.
So what you rate it altogether?
I rated a 9.5.
9.5.
I would rate it a 10, but just potato.
Okay, he don't like potatoes, but I had to throw a potato in there because he don't like eating vegetables. Let me tell you right now, my kids don't like vegetables. Well, he don't like vegetables. My, daughter would eat it, but he don't like vegetables. So let's see what you did. Let me see.
It's a good food.
So there you have it, guys. He said it's good. I know it's gonna be good. I'm not gonna have the meat, but I'm gonna have the potatoes, the onions, and the peppers with the broccoli over the rice. I know I'm about to go in on this food. So that's one of my kids' favorite dishes. Like I say, chicken is always a favorite dish in this house. Everybody loves chicken, and I like making it kind of like a stew. So it's like very like hot, and it makes you like kind of want to go to sleep after. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.